So in this video, you'll learn how to disable RAM Plus on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So that whether you no longer need to use this feature or you simply want to free up your device storage, then disabling RAM Plus is for you. The first step when it comes to doing this is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Device Care. Under Device Care, tap on Memory, and then you want to scroll through your memory settings until you find RAM Plus, then select it. From here, in order for you to disable RAM Plus, just tap on the toggle like that, then confirm that you wish to disable it by restarting your device. Once the device restart is complete, your device will no longer be having RAM Plus enabled, and you can confirm that by just navigating to the RAM Plus settings, and you'll notice that it's been turned off. So you can continue using your phone without having RAM Plus turned on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.